Okay, so you see a Ferrari, right? You probably think, perfect as is. A masterpiece, untouchable. But what if I told you someone looked at a pristine Ferrari, one of the most iconic modern supercars, and said, nah, it needs more. A lot more. This isn't just a mod, it's a full-blown metamorphosis. We're talking about taking an already incredible machine and cranking it up to 11. Get ready, because this transformation will blow your mind and probably make some purists gasp. This is the story of how a beautiful Ferrari became an absolute monster. Our story begins with the revered Ferrari 458 Italia. A car synonymous with Italian engineering, a naturally aspirated V8 symphony, and razor-sharp handling. It's a dream car for millions, a poster car, a track weapon in its own right. With its sleek lines and formidable performance, many would call it perfection. To even consider altering it takes a special kind of bravery, or perhaps, a touch of madness. This wasn't some beat-up project car, this was a gorgeous example, destined for a dramatic, unforgettable evolution. So, why mess with perfection? The owner had a singular, driving goal, to create something no one else had. Not just a unique paint job or some bolt-on parts, but a truly bespoke, one-of-a-kind machine. They weren't interested in blending in or following trends. This was about pushing boundaries, daring to be different, and forging a path where none existed. It's this audacious spirit that fuels the most incredible custom builds, transforming a beautiful car into an undisputed, attention-demanding titan. The creative spark for this audacious project? None other than the legendary Ferrari FXX-K Evo. This isn't just a car, it's a track-only hypercar, an absolute beast of aerodynamic aggression and raw power. Imagine its massive rear wing, its gaping intakes, its utterly uncompromising stance. That's the vibe, the pure, unadulterated track energy the owner wanted to infuse into their street-legal Ferrari. It was a monumental challenge, translating that extreme, functional aggression into something that could still be driven outside a closed circuit. To bring this wild vision to life, the owner turned to Prior Design, a renowned German aftermarket specialist known for their bold and aggressive body kits. This wasn't some backyard job, this was professional artistry. Prior Design took on the monumental task of crafting a custom widebody kit that would redefine the 458 silhouette while echoing the FXX-K Evo's track-focused brutality. It was a collaboration of ambition and engineering, promising to transform the Ferrari from elegant supercar to intimidating street monster. And then came the widebody. Oh my goodness! The custom panels, meticulously designed by Prior Design, completely transformed the car's presence. Gone were the subtle curves of the standard 458, in their place, muscular, flared arches that screamed aggression. This wasn't just aesthetic, it allowed for much wider wheels and tires, crucial for handling the power to come. This stage of the transformation is where the FXX-K Evo inspiration truly starts to shine through, turning heads with its sheer, unapologetic width and track-ready stance. It wasn't just about looks. This transformation was deeply rooted in performance. The FXX-K Evo's influence demanded functional aerodynamics, and Prior Design delivered. A massive rear wing, a deep front splitter, aggressive side skirts, and a pronounced rear diffuser, every single element designed to generate real downforce. These aren't decorative pieces, they're engineered to keep this monster glued to the tarmac at blistering speeds. This careful integration of form and function highlights the build's commitment to not just looking fast, but genuinely being fast, a true street-legal track weapon. Underneath all that new aggression lay the beating heart of the 458, its stock 4.5-liter naturally aspirated V8. A magnificent engine, celebrated for its high-revving nature and glorious sound. At 570 horsepower, it's already a force to be reckoned with. But for a car aspiring to FXX-K Evo levels of madness, force to be reckoned with wasn't enough. This powerful, yet unmodified, engine was a blank slate, patiently awaiting the dramatic surgical enhancements that would unleash a whole new dimension of ferocity. The transformation was just beginning to delve into its core. Naturally aspirated is great, but to achieve monster status, something more drastic was needed. Enter forced induction. Specifically, two massive Garrett turbochargers. This is where the 458's character began its radical shift. Turbos mean more air, more fuel, and ultimately, way more power. The installation of these twin snails fundamentally changed the engine's breathing, paving the way for a dramatic leap in performance that would push this Ferrari far beyond its original factory specifications. This was a critical step in turning a supercar into a hypercar killer. Slapping turbos onto a Ferrari V8 isn't plug and play. This required serious custom fabrication. Think bespoke manifolds, precisely engineered to feed those turbos efficiently. Then, custom intercoolers, essential for keeping charge temperatures down, ensuring consistent, brutal power delivery. Every single pipe, every weld, every bracket had to be perfect, not just for performance, but for reliability in an engine now producing almost double its original output. This meticulous craftsmanship is the unsung hero of such a complex and high-performance transformation, truly building a monster from the ground up. With all that new hardware, the engine's brain, the ECU, needed a serious re-education. This wasn't just a simple flash, it was a complex, bespoke ECU tune. Every parameter, fuel, timing, boost pressure, painstakingly optimized to work in harmony with the twin turbos and custom components. This is where the true power is unlocked, ensuring not just maximum horsepower, but also smooth drivability and engine longevity. It's the digital symphony that brings the mechanical orchestra to life, turning raw potential into terrifying, usable power. A critical step in the transformation. The results? Absolutely mind-bending. From a respectable 570 horsepower, this Ferrari's V8 now screams with over 1,000 horsepower. Let that sink in. We're talking about a near doubling of power, transforming an already fast car into a certified hypercar slayer. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete redefinition of what this Ferrari is capable of. Imagine the acceleration, the sheer force pinning you to your seat. This power figure is the crown jewel of the engine transformation, propelling it into an elite league of its own. With 1,000 plus horsepower, the stock suspension simply wouldn't cut it. To keep this monster manageable and ensure it could put power down effectively, a complete suspension overhaul was crucial. Adjustable coilovers allowed for precise tuning of ride height and damping. Custom sway bars minimized body roll, sharpening the already excellent handling. This comprehensive upgrade ensures the car isn't just fast in a straight line, but truly terrifyingly quick and controlled through corners. The transformation extends to every dynamic aspect of the vehicle. More power means you need more stopping power, right? Absolutely. The builders didn't skimp here, either. This transformed Ferrari received carbon ceramic brakes straight from the formidable Ferrari 488 Pista. These aren't just pretty, they offer incredible fade resistance and stopping force, vital for a car that can hit ludicrous speeds in seconds. It's a significant upgrade that speaks volumes about the no-compromise approach to this build. Safety and performance go hand in hand when you're creating a street-legal monster with this much capability. What good is 1,000 horsepower if you can't put it down? This monster rides on custom-forged 21-inch wheels, specifically chosen for their strength and lighter weight. Wrapped in wider, stickier performance tires, they provide the monumental grip needed to transfer all that power to the asphalt. These aren't just flashy rims, they're a critical component in the performance equation, ensuring every surge of turbo power translates into forward momentum, not just tire smoke. Another crucial piece of the transformation puzzle, built for brutal efficiency. The transformation wasn't just external or mechanical, the interior underwent a dramatic shift too. Stripped out for a pure racing feel, much of the original luxury was replaced with purposeful functionality. Heavy sound deadening and unnecessary trim were removed, all in pursuit of weight reduction and an immersive, track-focused experience. This wasn't about making it uncomfortable, but about making it clear this car means business. Every detail reinforces its new identity as a no-compromise performance machine, right down to the driver's seat. Even with the stripped-down approach, the interior didn't sacrifice sophistication. Custom carbon fiber accents now adorn the cockpit, replacing heavier materials and adding that quintessential race car aesthetic. Luxurious Alcantara wraps key touchpoints, providing grip and a premium feel. Purpose-built racing seats cradle the occupants, ensuring they stay firmly planted during extreme G-forces. It's a blend of high-performance function and exquisite, lightweight luxury, cementing the car's dual personality as both a brutal track weapon and a bespoke work of art for the road. Such an epic transformation doesn't happen overnight, nor on a shoestring budget. This monumental build took approximately 18 months of dedicated, skilled labor. And the cost? Brace yourselves. An estimated $250,000 plus was poured into this project, and that's on top of the car's original price tag. This isn't just modifying a car, it's commissioning a bespoke automotive artwork. This level of commitment in both time and financial investment truly highlights the owner's unwavering vision to create something utterly unparalleled, a testament to pure automotive passion and dedication. So, what can this beast actually do? While exact, verified numbers for a street-legal custom build like this are rare, the potential is undeniable. We're talking 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, firmly in hypercar territory. Top speed? Easily over 200 miles per hour, though likely unverified outside a controlled track environment. Remember, this isn't just about straight-line speed, the aero and suspension upgrades mean it should handle corners with brutal efficiency too. It's a performance envelope pushed to the absolute limit, creating an experience few other cars can deliver. The final product? An absolutely breathtaking machine, dubbed the FXX-K Street Legal by adoring fans. It's a testament to audacious vision, relentless engineering, and a refusal to settle for anything less than extraordinary. This Ferrari 458 Italia has been utterly reborn, shedding its original skin to emerge as a twin-turbo, widebody, 1,000-plus horsepower Leviathan. It stands as a bold statement, proving that with enough passion and skill, even a masterpiece can be reimagined, pushing the boundaries of what a road-going supercar can truly be. What an incredible journey! So there you have it, the unbelievable transformation of a Ferrari 458 Italia into a full-blown, FXX-K Evo-inspired monster. Was it sacrilege to alter such an iconic car, or an act of pure automotive genius? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash the like button if you were blown away by this build, and subscribe for more insane custom car content. We love seeing cars pushed to their absolute limits, and this Ferrari definitely fits the bill. Until next time, keep those engines revving, and those dreams accelerating.